हेलो माय यूट्यूब फैमिली, दिस मी मानगंगानी योर बॉस गर्ल एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं 11 उन मिस्टेक्स के बारे में जो आप शायद कर रहे हो आपकी स्किन के रूटीन में. एंड दिस वीडियो स्पेशली फॉर टीनेजर्स हु नीड टू नो एंड नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर यंग प्रीशियस स्किन. एंड इवन आई एम 18. मेरी मॉम हमेशा से मुझे गाइड करती आई हैं कि क्या मुझे नहीं करना है बिकॉज शी बिलोंग्स टू दिस ब्यूटी फील्ड. एंड मेन प्रॉब्लम विच आई थिंक इज दैट वी डोंट ट्रस्ट आवर ओन स्किन. Our skin is already a functioning living organ and it knows how to restore and repair on its own, knows how to shut the dead cells itself and knows how to produce the enough sebum. So हम क्या करते हैं, हमें प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं पता होती है और हम बिना गाइडलाइंस के कुछ भी करे जाते हैं हमारी स्किन टाइप जाने बिना, और वो प्रॉब्लम फिर इतनी बड़ी हो जाती है. सो यू नीड टू नो द बेसिक्स एंड अवॉइड सच मिस्टेक्स एंड टू गेट अ क्लियर स्किन यू जस्ट नीड टू रेक्टिफाई योर मिस्टेक्स एंड वर्क ऑन इट little bit, not zyada. So let's get into the video. So before starting the 11 pointers, I would like to tell you that I have applied nothing on my face. If you wonder I have applied anything, I'm happy with my skin, and that's why I'm talking about this mistake thing and what I did. So let's get into the video. The most common mistake which I think is point number 1, overwashing your face aggressively. We wash our face बार बार. वी थिंक दैट इट्स अ सोल्यूशन टू अ ग्लोइंग स्किन, एक्ने फ्री स्किन, बट यहाँ पे उल्टा हो जाता है. आपकी स्किन डल हो जाती है, यू गेट सम डार्क स्पॉट्स एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ नो मोर लॉन्गर ग्लोई बिकॉज जितना भी नेचुरल ऑयल होता है वो निकल जाता है अगर आप उसे बार बार वॉश करते हो. एंड वी नीड दोज नेचुरल ऑयल्स इन ऑर्डर टू स्टे कीप आवर स्किन हाइड्रेटेड एंड ग्लोइंग एंड सपल. So don't overwash your skin. You just need to wash your skin twice a day. Once you wake up, after that, or any time in the day, and once you go to the bed. Before that, you need to wash your face. So आप एक साफ स्किन के साथ सोगे तो आप एक ग्लोइंग स्किन के साथ मॉर्निंग में उठोगे. So that's all you need to do. Don't overwash your face to get a glowing skin. Just wash your face twice a day. Point number 2, don't let your skin dry after cleansing. After you are done with your shower or cleaning your face only, make sure that you apply your very first product, be it toner or moisturizer. Apply it as soon as possible because जो हवा होती है वो आपके moisturize को lock करने के बजाय suck up कर लेती है. So make sure you apply your moisturizer or toner just after you're done with cleansing. Point number 3, using the products in wrong order. You need to know that you need to use the products in a right order. That is CTM, first you cleanse, then you tone, and then you moisturize. To be in a wider way, it's that you first cleanse, then you tone, then you use the face serum, then you use the eye cream, then you moisturize, and then you apply at night the facial oil, and if it's noon then you apply the sunscreen. So if you want to get all the benefits of the products, you need to apply it in a proper sequence. Point number 4, keeping at least 5 minutes of gap between all the products application. As I talked about so many products application last point में, that you apply the toner, then moisturizer and what not. You need to understand that if you are applying a product, at least आपको 5 मिनट का उसमें गैप रखना है, जैसे वो आपकी स्किन में सोख हो पहले और उसके बाद आप उससे 5 मिनट बाद एटलीस्ट आप दूसरा प्रोडक्ट लगाओ, और एल्स यू आर गेटिंग नो बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. वो सारे मिक्स हो जाएंगे एंड योर स्किन विल ऑब्जर्व नथिंग आउट ऑफ इट बट समथिंग मिक्सचर आउट ऑफ इट. फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज दैट अवॉइड फेशियल्स एंड गो फॉर क्लीनअप्स. क्लीनअप्स में बहुत कम स्टेप्स होते हैं, सिर्फ 3 से 4 स्टेप्स होते हैं उसमें. एंड फेशियल्स में एक्चुअली 6 से 7 स्टेप्स होते हैं जिसमें अलग अलग क्रीम से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मसाज दिया जाता है आपकी स्किन को, जिससे आपकी यंग स्किन में भी स्पॉइल हो सकती है, ज़्यादा ओवर हीट होकर उससे पिंपल्स आ सकते हैं. सो गो फॉर क्लीन अप विच हैज़ स्मॉल स्टेप्स इन इट, एंड वो उतना काफ़ी होता है आपकी स्किन को क्लियर करने के लिए. उसमें एक्सफोलिएशन पार्ट होता है, पैक्स होते हैं और एक शायद से मसाज भी होता है जिससे आपकी स्किन विच इज़ इनफ फॉर द यंग स्किन. सो गो फॉर क्लीन अप एंड नॉट फॉर फेशियल्स फॉर यंग स्किन. Sixth point is that wrong application timing of night skincare. before going to bed, you need to keep the gap between your sleeping time and your application time. You need to have at least 1 hour of gap between the application time, so you wash your face before going to bed, and then you apply something hydrating and nice. You don't need to have all the essential oils for glowing skin. You just need some hydrating good product. You applied 1 hour before going to bed. So आप जैसे ही सोने पे जा रहे हो, ऐसा ना हो कि आपकी बेडशीट को सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के फायदे मिल रहे हैं. So let your skin soak in the product and benefits of it, and then go to bed after 1 hour. So keep the gap. 7th point is stop doing all the regimes up there on the internet. We have huge platform on the internet where we see using the potato, tomato, even the onions on the skin. Stop following all of them. They apply the Colgate all over the face. Know the basic products. Trust your mom and grandma's times, famous regimes which are besan, multani mitti, haldi. These ingredients are more than enough to solve all the problems. And aloe vera gel, we have huge variety. So know the right regime and follow that one thing. Stick to that one thing. And from your teenage till your 30s, you just need to follow this baseline, that you should always stick to the hydration and moisturization, and provide your skin a good environment to work on its own. Don't follow all the regimes up there on the internet. It will just spoil your skin more and more. Now the 8th point is very basic, that while you moisturize your face, also moisturize your neck area and your hands area. These are the areas which show up the fine lines more earlier. So also take care of these areas as well. So the 9th point is very irritating. My mom kept telling me this all the time, that stop doing this while you apply your moisturizer. You don't need to pull your skin downwards, okay? While you apply it, don't pull your skin downwards, as it will cause the anti-aging. The aging fine lines will occur more and your skin may get loose. So start doing it upwards and outwards direction. So yeah, it is very good for your skin if you do it right, and very wrong if you do it downwards. 10th point is stop abusing your skin physically. Use the right cotton pad for removing the makeup. Use the nice remover, and also in most common way, use the right towel, and don't do it like this, rubbing in the wrong way. Do it in a tap motion. Know that it's your face, and don't do it roughly. 11th point is the important one, as it's the last one, that treat your face areas differently, that each area has a different, like your T-zone is the most oily zone of your face, and while you apply your face pack, you avoid the under eyes, and while you do your peel off thing, you apply it on your nose and not on your face. So it literally removes all the facial hairs, and then the growth is imbalanced. I talked about it on my previous video. So treat your areas differently and be careful about it. And if you are applying any of the acne creams, apply it only on the acne and not on the whole face. These are the points which might help you improve your skin and actually create a visible results to your skin. So start following these and make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you on the next video.